Want to update the email linked to your Roblox account on your PC? Changing your email can help keep your account secure to make sure you can recover it if you forget your password. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change your email on Roblox. So let's get started. First, open up a browser and then go to roblox.com. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Now on the top right, click the gear icon. From the left menu, click on Account Info. Beside the email address, you'll see a pen and paper icon. Click on it. Now enter your new email address and click on Change Email. Now Roblox will send a code to your previous email. Check your email and enter the 6-digit code. Now click on Verify and your email will be updated. And that's how you can change your email on Roblox PC. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.